Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to bring you moments of tranquility and positivity. Today, we have a special treat for you, a guided meditation for positive energy, peace, and light. So find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and let's begin. Close your eyes and inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. Release whatever stress or anxiety you may be carrying as you exhale. Allow the weight of the day to lift off your shoulders, enabling your body and mind to relax. Let us now take a few moments to set our objective for this meditation. Today, we are concentrating our efforts on generating positive energy, peace, and light inside ourselves. Imagine a warm, golden glow encircling your body, spreading happiness and calm. Imagine this light growing with each breath you take, filling every cell of your existence with calm and love. Bring your attention to your physical body while you continue to breathe deeply and gently. Feel your breath enter and exit your nostrils. Take note of your abdomen's subtle rise and fall as you breathe properly. Allow yourself to be totally present at this moment, letting go of any distractions from the outer world. Imagine yourself standing in a lovely meadow. The sun is beaming brilliantly overhead, providing a warm and welcoming ray of light. A soft wind caresses your skin, conveying a sense of serenity and tranquility with it. As you stroll across the meadow, you come across a tiny pond. Its surface is serene and reflective, reflecting the beauty of the surrounding countryside. Take time to look into the water and catch a glimpse of yourself. Take note of your calm countenance, which exudes serenity and satisfaction. As you continue to explore this peaceful place, you come across a tall, majestic tree. Its branches reach toward the sky, touching the clouds. Approach the tree and place your hands gently on its bark, feeling its grounding energy. Allow yourself to become one with the tree, feeling its strength and stability. Imagine roots emerging from the soles of your feet and digging deep into the dirt while you stand there, connected to the tree. These roots securely bind you to the earth, giving stability and balance. Feel Mother Earth's nourishing energy streaming through your roots, infusing you with vigor and strength. Let us now return our focus to our breathing. Imagine pulling in good energy and flooding your entire body with light with each breath. Release any bad ideas or emotions with each breath, letting them into the air. Continue to breathe in this manner, imagining a warm, golden light expanding from your heart's core. With each breath, it gets brighter and more colorful, illuminating your entire existence. This light is symbolic of your inner serenity, pleasure, and love. Take a minute to revel in the light's beauty, feeling its warmth and healing energy embrace you. Allow it to infiltrate every area of your body, removing any stress or negativity. Accept the sense of pure optimism and love that arises inside you. Now, as we gently conclude this meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a moment to wiggle your fingers and toes, allowing your body to reawaken. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes, bringing the tranquility of this practice into the world around you. Before we part ways, I want to express my gratitude to you for joining me on this journey of self-care and inner peace. By dedicating this time to nurture your mind, body, and spirit, you have taken a significant step toward cultivating positivity and light within yourself. I would love to hear about your experience with this guided meditation. Share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. How did it make you feel? Did you notice any positive shifts in your energy and mindset? Your insights can inspire others on their own paths of self-discovery and well-being. If you found this meditation valuable and would like to explore more content focused on mindfulness, positivity, and self-growth, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever we release new videos designed to uplift and support you on your journey to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Remember, by prioritizing self-care and embracing positive energy, you have the power to create profound transformations within yourself and in the world around you. Thank you for being a part of our community, and until next time, may you continue to radiate positivity, peace, and light.